And our today's activity is swinging board or swinging tray. In this activity, we are going to learn about centripetal force and Newton's first law. An object at rest remains at rest. An object in motion remain in motion until a force act upon it. I have a board, 4 string holding it up in the corners. I am going to keep empty paper towel roll on the board and then I will keep egg. If you are doing first time, so you will use hard boiled egg, okay, but I am not using hard boiled egg. Now I will swing that board slowly like this. Then I will swing that board in a complete circle. Now if I will keep some coins, in this activity we learned centripetal force and Newton's first law. I hope you like this activity. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye.